Good afternoon, students. In our last class, we discussed on creating a basic formula in Excel. In today's class, we'll discuss two things. First, using a compound formula in Excel, and how can we use a formula on a text. So let's start our today's class. Let's open Microsoft Excel. For that, we need to go to the Start button. Click on Microsoft Office Excel. As you can see, our Excel sheet is opening. So here it is. This is our Excel sheet. Now I'm going to tell you how to use a compound formula. Okay, do you know the formula for simple interest? Yes, the formula for simple interest is principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay, so we are going to just do that. We are going to calculate simple interest on Excel sheet, right? So for that, first we'll click on a cell. We'll write principal rate time. Here we'll write simple interest. Or just say simply write SI. SI is a short form for simple interest, right? Now here I mention principal is, let's say, 4500 rupees. Rate of interest is 8%, and the time is 3 years. So what should be our formula? Our formula will be, do you remember last time how should we start our formula? Yes, we should start our formula with an is equal to sign. So first we'll write an is equal to sign. Then what is the address of the principal cell address? It is D3. See, it's already mentioned in the formula bar, D3. Then principal into rate. Then we'll asterisk is the sign for multiplication. Then what is the rate? Rate is in which cell address? The cell address of rate is D4. Okay, so now we have mentioned D4. Then we will again use asterisk, that is used for multiplication in Excel, and then we will click on the cell of time. What is the cell address? D5. The address is D5, and as you can see, automatically D5 has been entered in this cell. Now the formula for simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100. So for division, an oblique will be there, followed by, we'll write 100. As soon we'll enter is equal to, we'll get our simple interest. We can see our simple interest is 1800. And what is the formula that we have applied? We have applied the formula of D3 into D4 into D5 divided by 100. That is, what is D4? D3 is your principal, D4 is your rate, D5 is your time, and your formula for simple interest becomes is equal to D3 into D4 into D5 divided by 100. Now next topic. The next topic, let's say, is that we need to apply a formula on text. क्या टेक्स्ट पे फॉर्मूला अप्लाई हो सकता है? Yes, it is applicable on text also. Let's say I write a name. Let's say I write KIPS, KIPS. In the next cell I write India. Now in this cell, if we want to merge both these cells, like if we want to write KIPS India, we can apply a formula for that also. We just need to do what? We just need to do write is equal to, what is the cell address for KIP? KIPS का cell address है B11. See, as soon as I clicked on KIPS, the cell address here came B11. Then we'll use the sign of ampersand or and, then we'll click on the second cell where India is written. Now the cell address of India is there, that is C1. Now as we enter, see, KIPS India has come together, it has been merged. Can you see this? KIPS India has been merged. So this is how we apply formula on a text. I hope you've understood this. We'll continue with more things in our next class. Thank you, class.